Most people don't know this, but there's a hidden feature on YouTube that I use to learn anything for free. In today's video, I will show you how to use it to learn anything on YouTube without paying a dime. Firstly, open up your YouTube app and tap on the gear icon. Then select learning, and there's going to be a lot of recommended video in your learning feed that you have to watch and learn. These are mine recommended by YouTube based on my watch history, what I'm interested in watching on YouTube. So there are a lot of recommended video in my learning feed. Now, the first thing here is Trailblazing Women in History. 2. National Reading Month. Why you should be reading more. And honor that there are recommended video that I have to watch. Now, recommended for you based on my interest, what video I mostly watch on YouTube. YouTube has put on recommended video here. The first video here, the title is Maker Month. The second one is World Tutorials by Office Master. The third one here is Thinking Skill, how to improve your thinking skill. The fourth one here is Learn English with Benjamin, how to actually learn a language, politeness, face directness, and so on. There are a lot of video I'm going to watch here to learn. Going further, the third one here is how much sleep do we really need. Okay, honor that there are recommended video that I have to watch. Going further, how to start your own business. I'm very interested in this, how to start your own business. Going further, influential black women in STEM, exploring iconic places in African American history. These are interesting topics that I have to watch. Historical figures, the watches. Honor that there are recommended video that I have to watch. Fear education class, non-political science, civics. There are a lot of topics. Arizona State University, study hall composition. A lot of topics that I have to learn here. Once you tap on this icon, it's going to take you directly to all the videos that you have to watch to learn that particular topic. All right, but if you are not satisfied with this recommended video, the search bar is available here. You are going to search for your preference. The search bar is available. Thanks for watching. This is what I wanted to share with you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. I love to hear from you in the comment. What do you have to say about the video? Bye.